Hey everyone, Toby from Virgo Sewing here, and today we have this really nice condition, Sears Kenmore 158 dot 13200, and I've just finished overhauling it, and it's a really solid Japanese-made Kenmore. And if you've ever sewn on one of these Japanese Kenmores, you'll know that they are absolutely wonderful workhorse all-metal machines. This particular one and some other Sears Kenmore machines have this dual belt with a pulley between the hand wheel, balance wheel, and the motor. And what that does is it actually gives it more torque with the two belts going at the same time. And I believe Kenmore, or Kenmore, Sears, copied this from Bernina because they saw what Bernina was doing, and it's a really good design. It's really efficient, and it sort of gives you the most amount of power possible. So they sort of just took that and put it in their machines, and they're wonderful for it. And the motor on this machine is a 0.8 amp motor, but with this dual belt pulley you get a lot of power out of that 0.8 amp motor. So I've got it threaded up here with a size 16 denim needle and some denim thread. Got some regular Metler sew-all thread on the bottom, and we're just going to show what this machine can do. It's really incredible what these machines will go through. So we'll start with just 2 layers. I usually set my tension at about a 3, and we'll go for the longest stitch length because why not? I like to start with the needle down on heavier fabrics. Check our stitching. Could use a bit more tension actually. Check our tension again. Looking really good. And that's looking really nice. So I'll show you here. The second line here. That's the one that we just made. And I'm going to go over to 4 layers and show you how this machine will do with that. Check our tension. Tension looks good. So here's the stitch that we just did over 4 layers, and it's really nice, even. And here on the back side, you can see our tension's looking good. And last but not least, I will show you 8 layers of denim. Oh, my phone storage ran out, so the video stopped and I had to delete some things, but here we are back with 8 layers of denim now with this Kenmore, and I'll show you how she goes. And isn't that just wonderful? You want to go slow over these heavy fabrics, and you will get great results. So here's our stitch over 8 layers of denim, and there's the underside. Just beautiful looking. And before I go, I should show you the other stitches that this machine makes. So first off, we have our stitch selector up here. So I'm just going to go to the wide zigzag now and show you that. Okay, and we've got, this is sort of, well, let's see what this does. And this is our blind stitch. Next we have our multi-zigzag stitch. And I believe, yeah, there we go. And that is one of the stretch stitches. So, zigzag, blind hem, multi-zigzag, and it's really just a nice, simple machine that will get you through most projects. And I have all sorts of attachments for it, which will make life a lot easier. So in here we've got about 8 bobbins, and we have a ruffler, we have a variety of hemming feet. What else do we have? We have a gathering foot, and yeah, just about 5 or 6 different hemming feet for low shank machines, which is what this is. And we have our lovely original Sears Kenmore buttonhole attachment. And this one has the templates built in, so you just turn this wheel for whichever one you want. And we've got a couple of Kenmore screwdrivers. We've got the buttonhole plate, which you switch out with this one for buttonholing. And we've got a seam guide here. We have a zipper foot, and we have a straight stitch foot, which I really like. So that's that. And we have the original manual that goes with this machine, and that will tell you how to use the buttonholer, what parts of the machine are, how to oil it, how to care for your machine. And so that's really nice to have, and it has this cool little troubleshooting page, which a lot of people find useful. And that is about it for this lovely Sears Kenmore 158 made in Japan. It comes in a brand new carrying case, which I just purchased from the sewing center, and it has its lid for carrying. It's got some new spool felts. The cord has a new plug end on it, and the foot pedal has been fully overhauled, including the carbon discs have all been cleaned. And that's about it for this machine. So thank you for watching, and this could be the machine for you.